Hi guys, welcome back to Spanish 55, and today we're here for the video that you have been waiting for. So it is Ranking Celebrities Spanish Part 2. Oigan chicos, ¿dónde nos quedamos? Where do we stop the last video? So in this video, I was gonna give you the 4 celebrities that I consider have the best Spanish. So shall we start? Are you ready? Remember last video we were watching the videos together, and that's what we're doing here too. Okay, so I'm gonna play the video, and if you're ready, let's go and let's take a look at the 4th place. ¿Y quién se gana el 4º lugar? So the 4th place goes to... So, redobles por favor. So I have to put here Anya Taylor-Joy. And guys, I wasn't sure to put her here because she grew up with Spanish as her second language, I think. But then I watched this video that we're about to watch together, and she says something very interesting. So let's watch it together and you tell me what you think.
In which case, tenemos un show increíble para ustedes esta noche. Lil Nas X está acá, así que por favor no se vayan a ningún lado. We will be right back.
So she just said that. So she just said, let's start the show with my native language. And then she starts speaking Spanish. So she considers Spanish her native language. That's very important because as I know, I think that she was born in Miami, but like she considers Spanish her native language probably because she grew up in Argentina. That's why I'm thinking that. So yeah, I mean, like her accent is 100% Argentinian. She has that very strong Argentinian accent, which I love. So Anya, congratulations. I mean, what can I tell you? You speak Spanish as your native language. Chicos, y el tercer lugar, 3rd place goes to... Adivinen a quién se lo vamos a dar. Yo creo que se lo damos a Giselle. She deserves a recognition. I mean, like, she speaks Korean and she didn't have the tools as other celebrities have, that they travel or whatever, but she made an effort to learn the pronunciation and the intonation. And let's watch the video together so you know what I'm talking about.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Bien. ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? qué bueno. Hola, ¿cómo estás? 안녕하세요. 뭐 약간 니好吗? 이런 느낌이고. Bien, good. ¿Y tú, 너는? Muy bien. Very good. Gracias. Por favor. Pero me encanta la song Better Things. Me gusta Espa. ¿Te gusta Espa? Sí. Sí. Bien. Bien. Muy bien. Bonita. Bonito. 아니야, 다 던지기. 그 가사 있어.
Okay, so she's not giving me like a lot of phrases or like a full set of lines, but we can see that she knows the words, that she can like put some words together, which I appreciate a lot. And what I think that she has in her advantage is that she can actually pronounce the vowels and the consonants very well. So Giselle, I give you the 3rd place for that. You deserve the recognition of learning Spanish when you don't speak or you don't have anything around it. That is 2nd place. And I wouldn't be more proud to mention this one. So 2nd place goes to Freddie Highmore. Dude, like... Wow. So I want you to watch the video with me and then we can talk about it.
Bueno, gracias. Hace mucho tiempo que no estoy aquí en España, así que entiendo, pero a veces las palabras, la gramática, el subjuntivo, todo eso. Pero no, todo bien.
A ver cuánta gente de aquí sabe decir subjuntivo de la manera que lo ha dicho Freddy.
No, es mejor practicar y bueno, si cometo errores, bueno, cometo errores.
Bueno, Nosotros tenemos a Eddie. Si tú quieres contestarnos en inglés, está Eddie.
Vale,
Si tú
muy
quieres
bien.
contestarnos en castellano, pues maravilloso también. Nosotros te vamos haciendo las preguntas que te atrajo.
Of course, his Spanish is from Spain, so his Spanish is 100% from Spain because he has the accent from Spain, but I couldn't find any mistakes in grammar, intonation, pronunciation. Is really, really good. His Spanish is really, really good. And he also says, like, I struggle a lot with subjunctive. We all do that. Like, if you don't speak Spanish as a native speaker, like, it's very hard. So we get you. 100% we get you. And I love that he can actually, like, put his personality in this thing too. Like, the way he speaks, like, he transfers his personality to Spanish. And that's, like, really hard to do, and he's doing it great. Good job. Because el número uno, first place, goes to Women Patrol. She has, like, a really good level of Spanish. I could say that it's very, very advanced. So she mentions that she went to study to Spain in a city very close to Toledo. But I don't know what else I can tell you. Let's watch it together so you can judge that it sounds very native. Let's go.
Escucharte hablar español, háblame de dónde lo aprendiste. ¿Por qué te entusiasmó aprender español? Bueno, cuando tenía 15 años yo estaba estudiando español en el colegio Nueva York y la profesora nos han dicho, bueno, hay una oportunidad a ir a España, a estudiar ahí. Entonces yo hacía un intercambio y vivía con una familia en el centro de España, cerca de Toledo. Y me encantó y fue como una temporada en mi vida muy importante. Y me encanta España, la cultura latina. Siempre me voy a México, por ejemplo. Me gusta mucho la cultura, la lengua, la gente.
Well, as you can see, like, she can speak Spanish fluently. I think that she has some mistakes with the tenses, but her pronunciation and her accent and her intonation is amazing. So that's why I'm giving her, like, the first place, because she can be speaking, like, this video is 5 minutes long and she speaks most of it in Spanish without doubting, without hesitating. So yeah, even though that she has those little mistakes, I would say that she deserves the first place. So guys, maybe you didn't have the chance to go on exchange program to Spain or another country, or you didn't grow up in a place where, like, the second language was there, but you can see it. Like, if they can, you can too. And my suggestion, as always, is always taking classes, and I always recommend you Spanish55.com. So go there, take a look of the website. And this is all the video for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Hasta luego.